Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking grade 2 or 5 titanium and the right thickness for your piece. This matters for flexibility and finishing. Once chosen, clamp the sheet and mark the pattern. Use a scriber for precision. You cut with a jeweler's saw slowly, keeping the blade vertical. This prevents binding. Make sure to wear a respirator and gloves while cutting because titanium chips are sharp and reactive. When the rough shape is free, file edges and move quickly to 220 grit for the first smoothing pass. Now you form and refine. Place the piece on a mandrel or jig and bend slowly, tapping with a nylon or rawhide hammer to keep surface marks minimal. This prevents overstressing. Once work hardening occurs, anneal with an oxygen-free torch at about 650 to 700 degrees Celsius to soften the metal. Cool in air. Make sure to polish through 400, 800, and 1,200 grits in sequence, consistent pressure and motion. After a fine polish, you can apply heat coloring or anodize for stable, vivid hues. Finish by giving the piece a final polish with rouge or a diamond compound, then clean with isopropyl alcohol. Ultrasonic baths help remove grit from settings. You assemble findings using titanium-compatible jump rings, screws, or adhesives and verify fit and comfort. If the color is uneven or scratched, repolish the area, lightly grind out defects, then reanodize or reapply heat coloring. One troubleshooting tip: if the metal cracks while forming, stop, anneal at the recommended temperature, and resume with smaller incremental.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.